Hi guys, I'm going to be making some travel snacks, or you can call them candied nuts. So I'm going to have a cup of nuts of your choice, whichever nut you want. This I have. These nuts actually I soaked them and then dehydrated them. That's just dry them so that they can be more. They're called activated nuts, so that they are more digestible and remove all those things that prevents you from digesting them properly. Then I'm going to have some salt, some cinnamon, and some syrup. So you can use whatever kind of syrup you have. The moment I have date syrup, or you can use maple syrup. So what I'm going to do, you can actually just chop the nuts into pieces with a knife, but I am not very good with those knife skills, so I'll just pulse them a bit and see how they look. So just bring them here. There you go. Some are still a bit on the whole side, so I guess the knife method might be much better. So oops. Okay, now we're going to just put them in the bowl. So we're going to put a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, which is that, and then you're going to put an 8 teaspoon of salt, sea salt. Then we're going to put 3 tablespoons of syrup, maple syrup or whatever syrup you have. So that's 1, 2, 3. So just mix everything up together. some are falling. And I'll put this in a dehydrator for 10 to 12 hours until they're completely dry. Okay, now I'm going to take the candied nuts, the Teflon sheet together with the tray. I'll just spread them all nice. I'll put them at 115 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 hours until they're completely dry. Depends with you where you and your humidity and all that. Some people it will dry faster than others. So that's it, guys. I'll show you when it is all nice and done. Here are the candied nuts of the travel snacks. See, they're all stuck together. They're nice and crunchy and delicious. I was just holding tight so I don't finish them all because they are so delicious. So I'll just put this in an airtight container, and yeah, I'll be enjoying them, munching them when I go places and I don't want to eat junk food. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't, and bye.